Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Susan. I was born clairvoyant and now I help other people through their spiritual awakenings. Stay tuned for this video. I want to myth bust something about meditation I hear all the time and it drives me crazy. And I think it actually turns a lot of you guys off to meditation as well. So stay tuned. A lot of times I've heard teachers talk about meditation as if it's an activity you do in the stillness where the goal is to clear your mind, to empty your mind, to have a mind that is free of thought. And this is the myth I want to bust. That's not necessarily possible. We are in the chariot of our body and our personality. We need both these things to survive on earth. And then there is the soul self, the higher self, the presence within us that is eternal, that is observing all of this happen. And you really can't separate one from the other. So when I hear about this, meditation is sitting still and quieting the mind, it makes me a little bit nuts. Because I know for myself, I started meditating routinely, regularly, daily, 20 years ago. And I remember being taken to those first couple of classes. I had a wonderful teacher. She's amazing. Her name's Dyer. She's written a ton of books and she's an incredible human being. But I remember being taken to those classes in the beginning, having no understanding of what meditation really was, and sitting there and just crawling out of my skin, not being able to sit still, not being able to think still, and believing I was terrible at meditation. So I want to offer you guys this other concept to consider while meditating, to replace the notion of getting rid of thinking. Instead of that, I want you to consider yourself as the sky. And all of your thoughts are simply the weather passing by. And you know how weather works. Even the most ferocious hurricane does not leave a scar on the sky afterwards. It simply passes and the sky returns to its regular, untouched, beautiful blue. Eternal you is that sky. And your inner narrative that seems to kind of just go and has even multiple personalities to it, it seems at times. That chit chat, that's the weather passing by. You don't want to resist it. And you know, whenever we're told not to think about something, that's pretty much a guarantee we're going to obsessively think about that thing. So again, it's much more about acceptance and observing than clearing or emptying your mind of thinking. So that's the concept I wanted to share with you. I hope that springboards some breakthroughs in some of your guys' meditation practice. Because there is no right or wrong way to meditate. But posing meditation as something where the goal is to completely still and quiet the mind can definitely make it seem like there is a right or wrong way to meditate.